Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. Today's a Monday. We're going to be looking at myleadgensecret. And actually, I'm going to talk to you guys specifically about Clickbank affiliate marketing. The reason why I want to do this is I started my journey with this specific strategy with Clickbank in about September 2024, and I want to show you guys the progress it's made. If you guys are interested in obviously following this specific strategy, look at this video, stay till the very end, because not only are you going to learn the process within this video, but also in case you want to get started with some guidance and some help from my side, I'm going to let you know at the end of this video how you can get access to that. Okay, so we're going to look at Clickbank as the main affiliate network. I'm jumping into the information already because I don't want to waste anybody's time. We're looking at Clickbank as affiliate network. I'm going to talk to you about what kind of products I'm looking at in Clickbank, with the price ranges, with exactly the products that I'm looking at and testing things out. And then we're going to jump into myleadgensecret also and share with you a little bit more how myleadgensecret combines and how everything works together. Okay, so before I go ahead and do anything, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification below, or wait till the very end and do it at the very end. Either which ways, I'm excited to have you guys here. Let me just go ahead and share with you a little bit of the strategy itself. So I've been following the strategy about 2.5, 3 years almost, guys, and it's been literally this whole structure. Now today's a Monday, so we're talking about step one. If you guys can see, in step one and step two, I leverage myleadgensecret, which is basically a platform that gives you 100 to 200 email leads, specifically tier one country leads. This is why I like it. I don't think it's the best, it's not the best traffic for sure, but it is realistically something that you can dip your toes in. It doesn't cost you too much, and you're able to make those sales. At the same time, you're also testing the waters out when it comes to affiliate marketing, when it comes to email marketing. Why do I say affiliate marketing? Because sometimes people don't know whether they like affiliate marketing. Sometimes they don't know if the right products, or which should be solving problems, are the right products for them, because there's so much of spammy offers out there as well that you get confused and you think, okay, maybe I need to do it this way, but let's not flood the market with all these, fly by night offers, but actually help things out. So it teaches you, at least in my opinion, it gives you a good playground to understand, do I like affiliate marketing? What do I want to achieve out of affiliate marketing? Ask yourself these questions, which is mindset related, and I think it's important to do it in the beginning. And then on the email marketing side, you're getting every day some space to basically practice your email marketing. You can leverage AI. You can also do a lot of things which I share with you guys in a course that I have in the description of this video. But either which ways, you're still using myleadgensecret as a catalyst, as a playground. So worst case scenario is you're spending to gain some knowledge this way. Okay, worst case scenario. But at the end of the day, it is not. Okay, so it is not that expensive, first and foremost. So let me just cover the costs before I get into Clickbank and everything else. Myleadgensecret costs $60 to get started the first month, and then $30 to maintain after that. These leads are what we call business opportunity leads, or core registration leads within the business opportunity niche. So they're looking for offers that help them make money online. They're looking for tools that help them with that process. They're looking for new strategies to help them with that wealth building. Okay, it's focused on wealth building, and that's the kind of leads that you're getting here. That means that these leads are not the best quality leads because they're co-registration leads, but also mindset is a key element here, in my opinion, that we have to break through. If I take this example of using a health and wellness, sometimes when you're building a health and wellness brand, the kind of leads that you're going to get who are opting in and who are asking for more information might be a higher quality, because they already are into that fitness, right? They're already into that element, or they have the interest to put in the work. Not everybody is going to do it, but the interest is there. Therefore, the conversion of those leads are higher based on this, where a lot of people look at the internet in the make money online space or in the wealth space they feel like it's just going to happen overnight. Well, that's not the case. You got to put in the work and the effort to make it possible within affiliate marketing, or any kind of industry for that matter. But it is not, you will find a lot of lazier people, I would say, in the make money online niche. So that's why hype exists. Okay, I'm telling you these things so that you guys understand the pain points of these leads as well, right? So anyway, that's what my Legion secret is. As I said, you can send out an email every single day. Basically, you're spending $1 a day to maintain 100 leads every single month, and they're cumulative, right? Which means you have 100 now. Next week, tomorrow you have 200, 300, 400. By the end of the first month, you have 3,000 leads minimum that you have in your account, and those 3,000 leads, even after those 30 days are over and you spend $30 the next month, you basically got 6,000 leads the next month, and then 9,000 leads the next month after that. So even though you're spending the same amount, it's cumulatively growing your list. Okay, so I hope you guys see the value in it. It's not only about the numbers, it's also about the quality of emails that you're writing. That being said, let's jump into Clickbank, and I want to share with you guys some proof and everything else related to Clickbank. All right, guys. So I'm here. What I'm going to do right now, just for you guys to understand, Clickbank is one of the most popular affiliate marketing networks that exists. They have multiple offers. If I just go to the marketplace to give you guys an understanding, these are all the categories that they have. Top offers, new offers, obviously: health, wellness, e-business, e-marketing, spiritual, new age, alternate beliefs, self-help, home and garden, cooking. So it really depends where you want to go and what you want to be able to do this, right? A lot of people talk about make money online, e-business, e-marketing, but the biggest niche within Clickbank, if I'm not mistaken, is the health and fitness niche. And I believe the spirituality is the next one coming, is the runner up, if I'm not mistaken, but I might be wrong there. Okay, I'm just saying the health and fitness is definitely also one of the key elements right here. This is a gold mine if you really want to focus on it. Okay, that being said, if you're using My Legion Secret, you're going to be using e-business and e-marketing because that's the wealth niche that we're in. If you want to use business and investing, I don't think it's going to be the case. Remember, we're talking about people who are not the best quality leads, but have still some kind of spending power, have some kind of spending power. Okay, so at least that. But anyway, if we think about this as a whole, this is the marketplace, and you will find different things here. I'm not going to go into the details of the marketplace, but what I wanted to share with you is I'm going to do a custom search right here, and we're going to look at, it's almost been a year. Okay, it's almost been a year. September 1st, 2024 to today. Hopefully it's August 11th, and then we'll put apply. The reason why I want to do this is I want you guys to see, since I started using this strategy, how much I've earned. Okay, it's not like a lot of months, right? It's been a few months, right? So this is what you see right here is $1,983.24. That's how much I have earned. Now I want to go to the hops right here, and we're going to see which of the offers basically have been getting me a lot of sales. So three main offers, as you can see right here, have been giving me this entire $1,983.24. Okay, this is over since September 2024. So it's when we're still, I believe that we're in the growth phase still for this account. It hasn't changed over to like kind of a sustainable. I think there's a lot of room to grow here. And basically what I'm doing is I'm alternating between three of the services that are available. But before I get into that, I just want to say that I think each account, when you have a My Legion Secret account and you follow the strategy, I think the strategy can easily get you $300 to $500 every single month. Has it done that for Clickbank? Not yet. Okay, so there is going to be a growth phase. These are real people, these are real sales. So since I got started in September 2024, you guys can see right here, I've made about $1,197 just from Social Rep, which is basically a product that's called live chat jobs. Now I'm going to show you that in a second, but this is the seller, Social Rep. Then the second best product, let's say, is I believe WirexApp reviews, which has earned me about $400 in commissions. And then we have Social Paid, which has given me again another $378. Okay, so this is the split between all of them. And the why I'm talking about this very clearly in this way is because I want you guys to understand one thing: the earnings, great, it's fine, I'm happy that I have it, but the conversions are important. All of these three products are service based products, and they're recurring products. So it doesn't mean these are only initial sales. Okay, if you see the rebills, look at the ones that get the most amount of rebuilds. Social rep, in my opinion, is a powerful one to have because yes, I've made 22 initial sales since then, but you guys are not seeing this. I've made about 64 rebuilds during that time frame. So the more initial sales I make, the more initial sales I make, the more the more initial sales I make, the more rebuilds I have for that specific product. The more rebuilds I have is more recurring income. Okay, so this is pretty powerful if you look at it as a whole. In fact, you can see right here I made in that the time frame that I've shown you, so September 1st to October since to August 11th, there's 72 initial sales and 64 rebuilds. Those 72 initial sales would not have generated me this much. Okay, just saying, it would not have generated me this much. So it goes hand in hand. It's service-based offers. These are also basically the same vendor that just has different offers. They have different seller names, but it's the same vendor, so similar services. And you can also switch from 75% commissions to about from 75% commissions to 85% commissions. That's what you can do with these three specific vendors itself. Now, what I want to stop and say specifically with regards to Clickbank is this. I focus on service-based offers because I think the service-based offers on Clickbank are the most popular ones. Okay, so if you go to the marketplace right here and you click on and you click on e-business and e-marketing, it'll take you to this page right here. On this page right here, if you sort out the ranking, let me move myself high to low, it's already there. And it's basically got, or if you want to see high to low gravity score, that's going to give you a clearer image. And basically what a gravity score is telling you is that it is an offer that converts. Okay, that's what the gravity score equals to, just for you guys to understand. Now, if you look at this whole entire section, you'll see right here that live chat jobs or social rep, as we said, is the top product. Okay, so first and foremost to understand that. Then right now there's Fast Wealth, which is an offer that I have not tried out, is the second best product. Then you have paid online writing jobs. This is again from the same vendor. Get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. These are also service-based offer. Okay, and then you have write up reviews right here, which is also service-based offer. This cell phone cash is also an offer that's pretty much converting, but personally I don't resonate with it, so I don't really sell it. Okay, it's kind of I think it's a low ticket offer that has 75% commissions. I don't know. I don't personally like it, so I don't do anything about it. But you can see the rank of these offers also. Okay, so for example, here you can see that the rank is 28 because with gravity score it's coming as first, but otherwise the rank is 28. Interesting. Doesn't matter. What I wanted to share with you as a whole, or maybe this ranking is the entire thing of Clickbank. Just wanted to show you that these are service-based offers. Now, why I'm telling you about service-based offers? One is because of recurring income. Two is because you're talking to people who are interested in making money online. And if they're struggling to make money online as a whole, let them get a live chat job. Let them get a paid writing job. Let them get these things that actually are paying them for a service that they are doing, so that they can stop complaining first and foremost and start making money for themselves, which is very doable with these products. That's the first angle to think of. The second angle to think about when it comes to affiliate marketing is that you need some cash flow in order for you to grow that learning curve. So I use service-based offers to solve that problem. Look, you need the cash flow. Here's a service-based offer. Start your side hustle. Look, speak to the customers, get an idea, get a feel for what they like and don't like, and then apply that to your affiliate marketing campaigns. And guess what? You're going to see conversions because it overlaps. It really overlaps one over the other. So that's how I personally angle this kind of service-based offers for affiliate marketing. Simple, clear, but all of them are service-based offers. I just want to be clear with that. Okay. I have tried done for you offers. I've tried other affiliate marketing offers with, Clickbank on myleadgensecret, and they convert, but it's very sporadic. Like it's not clear what these leads want, because I think when it comes to the make money online offers within this space on Clickbank, they are sometimes spammy offers, but these are offers that are available for the last 12 years, guys. Okay, if I scroll down here, you'll see not for paid writing jobs, 12 years on Clickbank. This is the same vendor. 12 years on Clickbank. They know what they're doing, and they're one of the top offers. They're making millions of dollars every single month. So why not take something that's already converting and just apply that traffic? I would say do this even if you are building on funnel. Same exact process. The other thing is the price range. Most of these offers that you see right here, the price range ranges from trials to I think about $50 only, $47. Most of the payments are. So that price range is, in my opinion, perfect for My Lead Gen Secret users, because the leads that come into My Lead Gen Secret usually tend to spend around that much, around $60. So I'm not saying that you will not find leads that don't spend more than that, but you can feel comfortable within this range of sharing offers. But yeah, that's a little bit what I wanted to talk about the product itself, kind of how to choose things. And then I would say just consistently with that messaging, write an email every single day and send that email out every single day. Do not stop yourself. No matter what you say, the consistency with this method is going to be the most important. Why? Because every single day, regardless if you get an affiliate or not, you're getting 100 leads, 100 new people to talk to every day. So if you are not consistently sending emails, it is going to be a problem for you in the long term. So make sure, even if you're not making sales, make sure you wake up in the morning and you send out an email every single day with My Lead Gen Secret. And if you want some training of this, if you want to see my entire strategy that personally not only has generated the 1,800 here, but on Warrior Plus using the exact same strategy, I've earned another $10,000. So I'm already reaching about $12,000 with this strategy. So the more time I'm giving it, obviously the better results that I'm getting. But it's just to show you that the strategy does work. So in case you're interested, links to that course is in the description of this video. It's a $1 course. That's it. I don't want to charge like kind of strange things, but you do have options available there to get like AI prompts and other things like that. Anyway, like I said, that being said, this is the link definitely that you can check, see, be side by side. You can get in contact with me also through that link. And if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to see you guys on the next video, which is on Wednesday. I look forward to it. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true, guys. Keep focused, because every day that you do succeed is a winning day. See you on the next one.